Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas Tax and Lawman. Last Friday, the new Avengers End Game dropped, and I'm not going to spoil it for you. If you didn't see it, you need to. It lived up to the hype. In last week's video, we talked about many people's disappointment with their federal tax return. But this week, we're going to join Captain America and the surviving Avengers and set our tax universe right. If you are an employee and receive a paycheck and receive a W-2 at the end of the year, then you need to complete the new W-4. It has been adjusted for the new standard deduction, tax rates, and child tax credits under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Remember, the TCJA did away with personal exemptions. In the old days, you entered 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 on your W-4 to indicate how many exemptions you are claiming. On the new form, the IRS really just needs to know three things. Are you filing as married or single or head of household? 2, are you taking the standard deduction of $12,000 for a single or $24,000 for a married couple? And 3, are you claiming the child tax credit? If so, then you have to calculate the correct number to add based on last year's income. So let's look at the new W-4 so you can complete it correctly. On page 1, you entered the standard information, name, address, and social security number. Box 3 says check married or single. Box 5 says enter the total number of allowances from the worksheet on page 3. This is where I think everyone gets lost. If they are married and have kids, I think everyone just enters 4 like they used to. Instead, you have to go to page 3 and go through the checklist and enter the number listed for each question, A through G. Question A to D are simple. Question E requires some homework. Get your prior year tax return and look at the taxable income amount on your return. On your 2018 return, this is line 10 on Form 1040. Use this number to answer the question regarding your child tax credit. If you complete this worksheet on page 3, your new Form W-4 should correctly calculate your tax withholding for 2019 and ensure that you have paid all the taxes owed. If you like a big refund, then make your life simple and enter 0 or 1 or something less than the calculation. If you like being even at the end of the year, enter the number from page 3 into box 5 on page 1 and you are good to go. Then, you swagger to the HR office like the Avengers in their new suits of armor, ready to set it right. Until next time, adios. Texas Tax and Lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.